na. Tama na, okay. Bye-bye.
Indication meeting with rates based on generation forecast, regulatory forecast.
Five.
Siya muna,
Aga ko mag-duty.
Kung makita ko na kaya, ay kaya ko.
Ate Luna, maaga duty mo? Wow! 9:30 pa lang, office na yan. Wow, sipag. Pagod. F5. Hindi ako, nag-work ate eh. I can't lie, feels nice that you're calling. Sounds...
Tapos yung sa amin is block 10 kasi yun yung
High five. Oh, high five agad yun eh. I'm supposed to tell you I don't wanna see you with anyone but me. Nobody gets me down. Sino yung ayaw magpaupo sa sarili kong desk? Kasi office daw na yun. Wait.